So first of all, good evening everyone. Welcome to this channel. My name is Ritesh, and today we are going to see that what is the meaning of the algorithm. Okay, so in the different way we can define that what is the meaning of the algorithm. But the font, but according to my point of view, okay, so I am just going to the defining the algorithm. So we can say that algorithm is nothing but whatever we are going to the solve any problem, a step by a step means first problem will be solved, then second, then third, then fourth, to to do some a special work at a time. We can say that is a we have to the use the algorithm. Okay, so algorithm is nothing but algorithm is a process which defining to a way of the solving our problem. So in the VG way, we can say that it is a algorithm is nothing but if you are going to the solve any type of the problem a step by a step, that is the meaning of the algorithm. Okay, so I hope that you have the clarity that what is the meaning of the algorithm. So algorithm is nothing but algorithm is a process which defining to the way of the solving any problem. Algorithm is nothing, algorithm is a process which is going to the defining to solve the problem a step by a step. To solve any problem a step by a step, that means we have to the use the algorithm. Okay, so how can I say that we are going to the using the we are going to the using the algorithm to solve any problem a step by a step? So I'm just going to elaborate with the example. Okay, so suppose if we are going to the writing some codes for the one thing, that is I'm just going to the taking one example for the addition. Okay, I am just I want to say you something that if you are going to the add something, so at a time what we are going to the do, we must have to the two variable to store the data, and then third variable to store the data there. Okay, so first of all what we are going to the do, if you are a programmer, okay, so at the time you will say something, you will first declare the two variables or three variables. Okay, and then what we will do, you will print the message for the user that print to scan the values to what variable. Okay, so you will say that you will print the message as a message that enter two values for a and v variable. Okay, and at that time what will be happen, you have to the use the two types of the, you have to the solve the two steps of your problems, that is a declare, that is a first, and second one is a we have to the give the message, and then the third procedure we are going to the procedure we are going to the scan the values to our variables. Okay, so we are going to use the scanf, and then address, we have to given the address to scan the values to our addresses of that variables. Okay, so we have to the done three steps in our to solve our problems. Okay, and then what we are going to do, we are going to the taking the another variable, that is a sum variable. We have to the take the total three variable, that is a b and sum. Okay, so the fourth step is we are going to the taking the third one variable, that is name is the sum. And the fifth step what we are going to the do, we are going to the we are going to the assign the value with the addition of the all these variables. Okay, so sum equal to a plus b we are going to the do. So at that time what will be happen, whatever we have to the assign the value to the a and v variable, at a time that the both variables value will be add and then assigned to the sum variable. Okay, and then we are going to the in the finally sixth step is going to the print the value of the sum variable. Okay, so at that time we have to the for the solve for the additions of the program, our task is what, our task was that we must have to the add the two number only. Okay, so that one is a task to solve any problem, that one is a problem. Okay, so solve any types of the problem, we are going to the use the step by step, we are going to the solve that problem. So at that time we can say that we have to the use the algorithm. Okay, so this is the funda about all these things, that what is the meaning of the algorithm. So in the real life scenario you can also see that if you are going to the if you are going to the one one source to the destinations. So what's happening in these durations, we have a lot of things we have to the see. Okay, so I want to say you that so many villages will be in this duration. We can we can uh, so we can we can see a lot of villages, and the places will be uh, in the our duration if you are going to the one source to the destination. Okay, so at that time what will be happen, we have to the solve that problem. We have to the overtake all these villages, all these places, and then in the finally we are going to the we have to the reach to the our source destination place. So that is the meaning of the algorithm. We have to the solve the step by step problem, and then we have to the destination we have to the get got it. So at the time we can say that is the algorithm we have to the use. Okay, so I hope that you have to the got it all these things in this video, that whatever I have to the said to you in this video. Okay, and whatever you have any types of the question, then you can ask me with the help of the your comment box. Okay, and in this video, if you have to the enjoy, you can like and subscribe this channel. Okay, so let's meet you again and again in the next video. We will discuss about the next level of the all these things in the IT sector fields. Okay, so let's bye, meet you again and again in the next video. Let's bye.